As you can see here, this is the International 2400A that I have for sale. I'm going to get ready and start it up. Show you this got a little bit of smoke to it, but to show you also the lift works, fire steering works, fire takeoff works. Easy to crank. The gears are here on your side. Your lift and all is over there on that side. You have a brand new seat on it. Brand new battery in it. Brand new air filter. Oil filter. All the fluids have been changed. Let's see here. Got to choke it a little bit. After choking it one time, see it cranks up. It's got a little bit of smoke to it, like I said. And it's got a little oil drip right here on the front. Right here. Right there. Under that gasket right there. Here you can see the fire steering work on it. Works good. This here is the gas tank that I had to refabricate and put on it. The original gas tank that fit between the fenders was rusted out on it. Let's walk around it. Here. The lift, as I say, it works good. Here's the lift. As you see, it's got an old hay rake on it right now. It lifts up and lifts down good. No problems with the lift. Fire takeoff, I may have to engage the clutch. I don't know yet. We can get back there. See it. There you go. Fire takeoff on it. And like I said, it's just a good old running tractor. Let's smoke for a little bit.